Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Renegade Latitude. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Glacier Metallic Clear Coat, Quick Order Package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, connectivity, bridge solution, black premium cloth bucket seats, global telematics box module, TBM, tires, 215/60R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, and engine, 2.4 Li 40 VAT MAIR, STD. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.